Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best portable welding tables in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Eastwood Welding Table. This welding table can be set up in 3 angled positions for versatile use. The top angle provides maximum comfort when you are using the slots with C-clamps for secure holding of the welding material. The slots are 1.1 inches wide for easy clamp configuring. The tabletop measures 30 inches x 19.88 inches and offers you a plated work surface for 14 gauges for welding large materials. Besides, the table can handle a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds. The height of the table is 32.88 inches with an angle range from level position of 86 degrees. These dimensions provide maximum comfort and allow for a convenient welding experience. This welding table features a foldable design that allows you to fold the entire table for maximum portability and compact storage. Once folded, the table measures 42 by 30 by 7 inches. Number 2. Our second best pick is Strong Hand Tools Welding Table. This welding table is an excellent product that makes it suitable for metalworking and hobbyist applications. This is a lightweight and versatile table that allows you to adjust the height of tabletop from 26 inches to 32 inches and tilts to 3 different positions: horizontal, 30-degree and folded for mobility as per your convenience to work. It is compatible with all kinds of strong hand welding tools and accessories. This portable table can be moved easily on its 2 sturdy casters. The flexible capacity will provide for proper positioning of the tabletop with +/90 degree about one axis with 3 lengthy ports to affix the clamps. The 3 1.1 inches slots in this tabletop will allow you to insert clamps to reach any point on the table. Comes with 2 retractable, perpendicular steel guide rails, in which you can use them as stops, guides, or clamping edges. It comes with dimensions of 30 L x 20 W x 27 H inches and is made with durable steel material with 14 gauge thickness. The table size is 20 by 30 feet that allows you to work in a wider space. It weighs about 42.9 pounds. It is a user-friendly and easy-to-assemble product. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dewalt Welding Table. This welding table features a durable steel construction that is ideal for heavy-duty welding applications. It can handle a maximum weight capacity of 1,000 pounds, the highest on our list. The weight is evenly distributed throughout the surface of the table. The versatile table can be used as a folded-up atop work table or a freestanding welding station. The tabletop measures 18 inches x 46 inches with strategically placed 3/4 inch diameter holes. The holes allow for easy and secure mounting/clamping, irrespective of the shape of the material. The table features a foldable design along with a heavy-duty handle on the side for storage and portability. The folding legs come with 2 locking systems to prevent it from collapsing under heavy load. The cord minder on one leg, along with the back clips, prevent the cord from unwinding when you move around for the best welding angle. There is a tool holding ring to provide a safe storage for welding guns and a dedicated grounding stud to provide a place for ground clamps. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Chicago Electric Welding Table. This is an affordable option that comes with a heavy-duty steel surface for welding applications. The steel surface is coated with zinc to resist rust and prolong the life of the table. The table has a comfortable height of 32.5 inches to provide a clear view when you are welding. Furthermore, the table features 5 positive stops for adjusting the table angle. The edge guides are retractable and offer a dual purpose. You can use them as a fence or for secure clamping of the work material. There are also 4 table slots for clamping and dissipating heat during the welding process. The legs feature a reinforced trestle style that provides maximum stability when you are welding. You can install a vise on this table, but it would take up some space. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Miller Electric ArcStation Workbench. This welding table is one of the best products from the Miller Electric brand. This table comes with a 29 inches x 29 inches working surface and a weight-bearing capacity of about 500 pounds. It has various features like foldable X-pattern legs, hidden casters for mobility, and X-pattern clamp slots on the counter to clamp down material in any position on the table, which makes it a perfect table for both hobbyists and professionals. The overall height of this table is 48 inches when folded and 35 inches unfolded. The overall depth is 6 inches folded. It is lightweight of about 75 pounds and portable that allows you to move this table from one place to another place. It is made with sturdy and durable steel material in which you can fold them easily to store and transport it. It won't have any storage shelves but features a holder for a welding gun. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.